And it is that time of the year when pollution does impact most people in the NCR region, and which is why measures have been taken. It's been almost a month since pollution levels have been in the severe category. The last time we saw above 400 points was on the 23rd of November. So it's been a month since pollution levels dipped to the severe category. We're talking about over 400 points, 433 to be precise this morning. And the situation is not going to improve because of calm winds, dipping temperatures, cold wave conditions, as well as an increase as far as humidity levels are concerned. And what's really making matters worse is calm winds, which basically means that pollutants remain suspended in the air for longer, with literally no escape route when it comes to the pollutants. And to get more on this, we have Tanushka joining us. Tanushka, the situation visibly looking really worse. It is getting worse by the day. In the last 24 hours alone, we've seen that visibility has been highly impacted. Take us through, when can we expect some sort of respite from this gas chamber?
Right, Divya, as we speak currently, Delhi's AQI index stands at 442, which is in the severe category. And as you can also see behind me, you barely can see the India Gate at this point, and because there's a dense layer of smog as well in the atmosphere. And what the Met Department has also said is that this dense layer of smog is expected for the next 3 days as well. Delhi's AQI, breaches the 400 mark at this point and drops to the severe category again. And we did have a brief respite in the air quality index for a couple of days, but ever since 23rd of November, it has again dropped to severe category levels. The most affected areas at this point, with AQI's level ranging from 470 to 480, remain Alipur, Bhavana, Anand Vihar. These areas continue to remain in the severe category, and we cannot expect any respite for the next 2 days either. The AQI index and the AQI levels are to remain in the severe category for the following 2 days as well. With respect to all of this, GRAP 4 measures have been implemented again. Remember, after hearings in the Supreme Court, the GRAP 4 measures were rolled back, but taking note of the severe AQI levels again, GRAP 4 measures have been implemented, which means that there is not just a curb on construction activities, but also schools have also gone into hybrid mode. In Noida and Greater Noida as well, schools are functioning in hybrid mode. Physical classes are happening only for the students who are appearing for their board examinations. So looking forward onto the days ahead as well, the AQI index and Delhi will continue to grapple breathing and continue to choke on this very polluting atmosphere.
Right, no respite inside. Burari coming in at 483 points, Anand Vihar at 481, Nehru Nagar above 480, and Mundka at 473. So is Alipur. Thank you so much, Tanushka, for joining us with those details.